What's up, guys? This is me, K-Dog. Today, we're playing Totally Accurate Battle Simulator. Today, I might make a special video with me and my cousin. By the way, please subscribe and like for my effort. I'm posting free. This is my first video posted today. I'm gonna post this video, and there's gonna be 3 videos per day. That's insane. And I only have 12 subscribers? If you're not subscribed, man, I don't know what to say. Please hit that subscribe button. Today I'm gonna be collabing with my cousin later on today. So stay tuned for that video. Probably when I upload this video, a couple of minutes later, I might play with my cousin collab. Let's get it. Okay. So, it's totally like a battle simulator. No roll of characters, normal, secret, and then there's something unknown. We can see Joker bugs, Bat Family, villains, and so on. Now I'm gonna lay all these guys down. It might take a moment. Guys, I think I laid all of them out. So, we're gonna start with the Bat Family first. Let's get a little close up over here. Now, oopsie-doomsies. We introduce you to the guy, no shoes, armor, ninja, batarangs, the Dark Knight himself with no shoes, Batman. Oops, I'm showing another character. This is the version of Batman I tried to make. There wasn't really too many options I could do with this guy. He's got ninja gauntlets. I'm very proud with the ninja gauntlets I did. I mean, that's just amazing looking. Then we got the pants. The armor is also amazing on this guy. Next, we move on to Jason Todd. I got inspired, aka Red Hood. I got inspired by his version from the film Batman under the Red Hood, the jacket and the gloves and the knife and the gun. I got inspired of the gun in Batman Arkham Knight. The mask, normal, all red face. Yes, it's a red face. Armor plates, very cool. I'm very proud of this guy. If we move on over here, we got the Joker bugs. Let's start off with the Joker Gunner. Got a clown mask, a gun I added in, and a jacket. I added a walkie-talkie in this guy, and a clown mask, normal, nothing too special, and this guy's a knife. Let's move on to the big boys. By big boys, I mean villains. Here's Jonathan Crane, aka Scarecrow. I think I used an SCP mask. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna search which SCP mask. SCP-0. Let's see this guy. This guy? Yeah, Jesus. Okay. Don't look at that. SCP-047. Let me look images. I think it's this guy. It's this guy's mask. He's a doctor. This guy has a doctor mask on. Oh, it's SCP-49? Now this video is turned into an SCP learning. Okay. It's this guy. Doctor mask. Calls himself a doctor. Nothing too special. Okay, I guess we got him correct. Oops. Sorry about that. That's for another video. Get away. Okay. Wish. Scarecrow. Use the SCP-049 mask. Added a pistol and a few gauntlets. And I added a skull texture. Nothing too special. Now this guy, very proud of Solomon Grundy. I'm very proud of this guy. Got chains all around him, handcuffed. He escaped from prison. Deathstroke, very good character. Got a katana and a staff, armor, and a face. I think it's pretty good. Then we got a guy I'm not very proud of. Yeah, Two-Face. I couldn't find. I'm 10 years old, so don't judge me about this, but I couldn't find anything better because I'm 11. Actually, I'm turning 11 on my birthday. Yeah, not too good. Let's move on to the guy I'm very proud of. The clown shoes, purple, red tie, gray t-shirt, a pistol, and a knife. Yes, that's an eating knife. Don't judge me. I like it, Kutji. Okay. He's got the clown mask with green hair. We got Killer Croc. Let's just skip ahead. This guy's the worst one I ever made. We got Deadshot. Very proud of this guy, Deadshot. He's got a sniper, eyelid, okay, and we got him again. Let me just delete him. You thought that was all, did you? You thought that was all. Wait until you see one more. There's another surprise, okay? There's another surprise. We got a SWAT officer over here. I like a Kutji. Okay, he's got a SWAT helmet, SWAT shield, ballistic shield, pump shotgun, and then nothing too special armor. This guy has the same stuff, but he has an automatic shotgun. I think it's an automatic shotgun. I don't play Call of Duty, okay? It's not my job. Damn, that went really past very good. I thought this video would be a lot longer. I think that should. That was a very short video. I don't know. Should we leave it there? Like, I could show off your abilities, but I'm kind of running out of time. Not too much, but I think that should wrap it up for this video. This is me, K-Dog. This is my third video for one day. I'm insane. Subscribe for my effort. I'm insane. 3 videos per day. I'm gonna make that 5 today. Okay. This is K-Dog. Love all of you. Hope you guys subscribe and like. I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye. And I love all of you because you guys are the best. Goodbye.